Happy birthday, Joe. 18 ka na, anak. Ang wish sa'yo ni Mama, ma-achieve mo yung goals mo in life. Ayan, be strong, anak. Nandito lang kami ni Papa para sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Joe, anak. Ang wish ko, matupad mo yung wish mo na pagdating ng panahon, marigaluhan mo ako ng rubber shoes.
Anak, there are times na hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan. Alam mo yan, marami kang itinatago sa amin ni Papa mo. Siguro ngayong 18 ka na, time na para i-let go mo kung ano man yung mga naging problems mo noon, naging problems natin noon, i-settle natin ito ngayon, anak. Makikinig kami sa problems mo. Gagabayan ka namin. I love you, anak.
Joe, hindi man ako masalita, pero alam ko, nararamdaman mo na mahal ko kayo ng kuya mo. Siguro, it's about time yung pamilya natin maging open na sa bawat isa. So, wish ko talaga sa'yo, be strong, huwag kang papa-apekto kung ano man nasa paligid mo.
Hi Joe, happy 18th birthday. I wish you the very best. Enjoy your college, and I wish for you to see the world more and be strong and brave enough to take any opportunities. I want you to know that I'm always here for you. You can open up to me anytime. You can even borrow money. Just ask me anytime.
Happy birthday, Job!
It's the moments like this when the day starts to fade. In the shadow I know
We have a double celebration po. So, yesterday, yung po birthday ko, and on the 16th, yung po yung birthday ni Joe.
Happy birthday! Louder! Come on, guys! Once again, also, happy birthday, Ma'am Josephine Joy Sabile. Palapakan naman po.
no, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. So I'll hold on to every word. I won't forget the day I learned that there's nothing that I wouldn't do.
Wish ko lang palagi kang nasa good health and laging masaya.
Look, the moment is now. You and I in the center.
So, enjoy your birthday and of course, as adulthood. So, syempre, dapat remain pa rin natin yung as sweet po.
You're the end of my road. You're the perfect surprise.
Super na-intimidate ako sa'yo as in. Kasi parang kakagatin mo kapag may masama akong sinabi. pero nung naging close na tayo, mas nakilala na kita. You were so full of love. Alam ko, mga dumating na mga problema sa buhay mo, kakayanin mo, kaya mo, kakayanin natin. I used to be shy and scared of you because you seem like a snobbish girl, but at the end of the day, you're just like me. Palaging loka-loka and brutal. Never let the pain or betrayals you face change your goodness. Promise ko sa'yo na I always got your back.
Please take care of yourself and protect your heart.
I'm so proud of how far you've come. You deserve all the love and the happiness in this world. I'm just so happy na after many years, we're still friends.
So, sana, syempre, matupad mo yung mga wish mo sa buhay. Syempre, future architect.
Yung clinic ko, ikaw magagawa.
Lagi mo lang tatandaan nandito ako. Basta mag-chat ka lang. Kahit malayo ako, alam ko na we are soulmates and that is true and that is genuine.
I know maraming pagdadaanan, maraming pang magaganap, lalo na college tayo.
Kahit saan tayo dinala na university nitong college, alam ko, I'm always here.
Anything. Always, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. Every second, every moment.
Happy birthday, Joe! So, ayun, sana matupad mo yung mga wish mo and sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko and sana makagala na tayo.
Wish ko sa'yo is maging masaya ka lalo and stay pretty and stay who you are. And sana gumala na talaga tayo kompleto.
Wish you all the best and keep slaying like you always do.
Alam ko, this is a start ng bagong chapter ng buhay mo. Yung adulthood. So ngayon, dati si Job, baby, pero ngayon, dalagang-dalaga na.
Tuwang-tuwa ako, Job, na nabigyan ka ng ganitong pagkakataon.
Continue to be a God-fearing person and always remember to put your parents in your priority. Thank you for inviting us and happy birthday. Si Joe pa ay my mental talaga. So nakita ko talaga siya na kahit naka-blindfold, nahulaan niya lahat.
I wish all the best and also pursue your dream. Gustong-gusto ko nag-drawing pero pasmado po yung kamay ko. So hindi ko siya nagagawa ng tawa. Kaya I'm happy na Job is there to, show us how creative she is. I know it's not gonna be easy for you, pero alam kong kaya mo naman yun.
And I may not be a super expressive person, but my door is always open. Just let me know if you need anything.
Oh, look at her now. Rarampa na yan sa Milan. Never stop embracing your playful side and stay fresh and pretty like me.
Siya yung pinakabatang nagsimulang mga martial namin sa mga event namin. And look at her now.
Nagulat ako. Kasi parang nung nakilala kita, ganito ka palang kaliit. Nagpapatakbo, masama ko sa patakbo ni Sir Joey.
Hold on to every word. I won't forget the day.
Happy birthday, Joe!
Wishing you good luck on your future.
I wish you all the best and may your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Joe! I'm so excited to see you reach your dreams.
Good luck sa college and good luck sa future. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Nandito lang kami ni Papa. Susuportahan ka namin kung ano man ang maging desisyon mo sa buhay. Your family, sila yung magiging ilaw mo. Basta't palagi ka lang tumawag sa itaas. Nandito lang kami ni Kayla para sa iyo. Isa ka sa nagbigay kulay at kasiyahan sa akin ng mga panahon na bago akong dating dito sa Santa Rosa. Ang nag-isang news po nung aming grade din noon. O, diba? Miss ka na. Manang-mana to sa crush kong ina. Ever since. You are strong and amazing person. Iintayin kita. Pag gabi ka na umuwi, dito pa rin. Susunduin pa rin kita.
Dati sobrang liit lang ni Joe. Siya yung pinupuntahan ko sa likod namin kasi nakatira pa sila sa apartment namin dati.
Gawin mong best friend yung mama at papa mo. Huwag kang mahiya magsabi sa kanila kahit ano pang problema. Dati binibinyagan ka lang at susunod yan tapos ka na ng college. And then since college ka na, as architecture, kayang-kaya mo naman yan. Naniniwala naman kaming lahat sa'yo. Ang di ko malilimutan kay Chop, first time ko naranasan na ipagtimpla niya ng drink sa bahay nila. Umuwi akong hindi tuwid yung daan. Ang lakad pala sa bahay.
Wish ko lang po, pagtapos ka sa pag-aaral, happy 18th birthday. Yep. Pag ikay nasa college na, siyempre mapapagod ka, may stress ka. Huwag mo kalimutan magpahinga. Ayan. Yan mo ka. Yan mo pala. Comment.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Continue clapping, guys. Once again, happy 18th birthday coming from people of Cafe Arabica and to your family, Job Sabile. Okay, Job, blow your candles. Come on. Okay, ang dami niyan, Job. Come on. Continue clapping, guys, para kay Job. Come on. All right. Talagang alright lagi. Talagang alright lagi here at Cafe Arabica celebrating the 18th birthday of Job Sabile. And last, Kendall Job, make a wish. Continue clapping, guys. Make a wish, Job.
Thank you so much po sa pag-attend and sa pag-celebrate. Kasama kami, yung birthday namin ni Mama.
There's nothing. There's nothing that I wouldn't do